No fish back here.
There you go.
Where's that thing pointing? Yep.
They're right here.
Throw across. Shallow. The rocks are like 10 feet.
Yeah.
There's fish down there in that hole.
Yep.
30. Got it? Damn time. Oh shit. New net. Oh, damn, that's a nice one.
Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna let the boat drift across it and we're gonna turn around and nose in the wind.
Boy, you stirred them up too.
They was all after this thing, man.
Look, they're right in front of us, 10 feet in front of us. We just went over the top of them.
Yeah, I'm not gonna turn the trolling motor on. We're gonna get right over here. He chewed my line off. Yeah, look at him. Chewed my line off. Hang on and we'll come back and work them. Let the boat get across them first.
Drop this jig down there.
Yeah, or drop something like that down there. I can't believe. Yeah, that's a good spot right there. Good spot. Wish we'd have had a bunch more of them the other day.
No doubt.
Yeah. We're gonna let the boat drift across this big old rock pile since this one decided it wanted to eat.
All of them.
And I'm gonna turn the nose back into the wind. I'm not gonna hit that trolling motor right now so I don't blow them off of it. Maybe we'll catch some more. Works every time. Every time. I got some 2-ounce ones. I need to make some a little smaller so they don't break. But that little 4-ounce one, by God, if you'll let it get a bow in the line and then just pick it up.
Got it.
Oh, you gotta get right over it, dude.
No, it was.
Oh.
No, it ain't gonna bounce on it.
Oh. Got a little, you didn't let it get a bow in it and then pick it up.
I did. But right when it did.
Yeah. leave it. It's just it's in a position where I'm gonna need to if I pick him up again, I'm gonna get hooked again. Yeah, that hurt. Short fish, long jerk bait. Yeah, it wasn't in real deep. I slammed my hand down as soon as I started. Alright, let me. Oh my god, it's treble hooks. Alright, let's get you nice band-aided up. My Green's custom lure that he just painted for me last week. Thank you, David. Hooks are sharp, brother. That they are. Luckily it didn't get, the barb didn't go down there and get turned. The barb went in. Because when I pulled it, when I snatched my hand, the barb was just going, just in there. You got a towel? Yeah. Let me get it out from under your knee right here. Damn, that's bleeding fast. Huh? It's bleeding fast. Yeah, here. One side of the treble there. Is it dry enough for there too? My hand. Let's see. Trying to. Bitch went in there again. Yeah, I had to pin him down because I didn't want him shaking. Good now. Good now. For now. Yep. Hey, I found some more glasses. I've been needing them. I need to borrow them too a couple times. Yeah. Damn it. What did you say? The end of this band-aid got turned up on itself. That ain't sticking good because it's... Just keep pressure on it for a minute. Oh. See there? The end of the band-aid clipped itself. Yeah. See if it... Them band-aids ain't the best in the world. It's another fish. I got blood on my reel. That's all over. We'll wash it out. I didn't get it on the boat though. We're gonna get back to jerk baiting now. Baby's getting excited. Yeah. That's straight out of bird. It sounded weird. Even in the wind. Shade of that boat. That smaller fish. Curious. There you go. Little suspect here. The only target coming across the old stream though. Looks good. We're right in the sunshine, huh? Right on. Sure is. Get him up in here. All right, come on. God, almost had. Just don't get wet. Bass right there. Yeah, bass. It's about that long. Really? All right. Back up. Go. Keep it in reverse.